Hey guys, let's make my daughter's hair. Today she chose knotless braids and that's what we'll be making. First I have to stretch her hair because her hair is natural. I need to stretch it so that the knotless braids will come out very nice and beautiful. This is actually the first time I will be making knotless braids on her hair. And hopefully it comes out very nice. I like making box braids on her, something that can last for 2 to 3 weeks. Hopefully this one will last 2 to 3 weeks or thereabout. So first I will start making the hair. For this hair I used one pack of hair extension and I didn't finish it. Because her hair is natural, I am adding very little hair extension to it because I don't want it to feel heavy. So I am adding so little hair extension to it. Yeah guys, this girl chose this golden color. Hopefully it suits her skin. If it's left for me, I would always use darker color for her on her hair. She chose this one, so hopefully it comes out very nice after making it. The one pack I used, I didn't even finish it, guys. I didn't even finish it, and this hair came out so nice. It's the color that I don't even know. I don't know why she loves colors so much. She loves colors so much, but for me, I prefer darker colors. So that's it, guys. Watch till the end and see the outcome of the hair. Hopefully it's giving. We're almost done. We're almost done. We are getting there. And right now we are done. And this is it. What do you think about this hairstyle? Is it suitable for kids? What do you think? For me, it's yes, because it feels light. It's very light, guys. Look at it. She was so happy, especially with the color. The color looks good and I'm liking the hairstyle. See you all in our next one. Bye.